Yeah, everyone, welcome. Well, I'm back in the shop here, and I just pulled out a toilet for my mother-in-law there. I changed it for her. Got another video on that, changing out a toilet and changing a wax seal. You should check that out. Yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to show you, before I took this thing to the dump, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to change the fill valve in a toilet, okay? So we're going to be looking at this toilet from a different angle. So here's your water line valve, okay? So when you change out the fill valve, all you want to do is turn your water off. Okay, your water is, that's on, that's off, or if it has a handle. Now this would be facing the other way, so you'd come at it from this way, okay? But it's this is a good view to show you from behind here. So that water's off. Then what you want to do is give the toilet a flush, right? Flush it right here, and then let the water go out, and then take a vacuum, shop vac, vacuum out the tank as best you can, or sponge it out, whatever you got to do to get the water out of here, okay? And then you just want to, you can leave it done up to the valve. You just want to undo this guy here, right from the bottom of the fill valve, the threads there, okay? And then you just want to get to this nut here, get that on there. You want to just loosen that off, okay? Take that nut off of there. So there's your fill valve there, okay? And you just want to undo this little tube that goes into your flush valve. And then this should just pop right up out of here. Just like that. Okay, that's garbage. And you want to take your new fill valve. Comes with all these parts. Okay, now we've got a braided water supply tube, so we don't need this part right here, okay? But we will need this part, and of course we need this. This is the nut to hold it all in place. We don't need this, and we need this, but we don't need the part in the center, okay? So we want to cut that center, or just pop that center part out. Sometimes you have to cut off these little bits in here, okay? So now we're going to take the new fill valve, Fluidmaster, and then you got your rubber washer. Now this slides on with the cone facing downwards. Okay, just like that. So we're going to take this, we're just going to wipe down and around the bottom there, make sure that's all clean. Okay, and you take your new fill valve, place it down in there. Okay, so that your outlet here is in line with your flush valve, close anyway. Put that nut on. Do that up. Snug that up. It's plastic, so not too tight, just get it nice and snug. New tube goes on there, and then this end here, you can snip it off or just take it and push it through that hole there, so it fits in nice and snug. As long as the lid can close, you're fine. It's just a matter of, you can change this out too if you figure you need to. Sometimes they want to leak on you after you've undone them, so you just want to snug that up by hand tight. And then at the bottom, if you've undone this, snug that up with a wrench, and then this would be facing the other right, and then your water goes on, fill it up, check for leaks in around here, and then you may have to adjust the water level. I do have another video on adjusting the water level. The two most common causes of a running toilet is what that video is called. So it really is pretty straightforward to change that fill valve. You know, and usually the reason you have to change that is because it just keeps running on, and even with adjustment, it still won't stop running. You can take them apart and try and clean them out, but they're not an expensive part, $20 give or take. So it's quicker and easier and less frustrating to just change it out. Thanks for watching.